How to build a planter box from fence boards. Anyone who has had to replace an old fence has wondered what to do with all the old wood. One useful idea is to construct a variety of simple planter boxes to decorate your yard or garden. Measuring, cutting and assembling the boxes takes very little time, and since you will be using recycled wood, the cost is negligible. Anyone with rudimentary knowledge of construction principles should be able to build a planter box in 3 hours or less. Things you'll need: old 1x6 or 1x8 fence boards, circular saw or table saw, tape measure, 1 1/4 inch nails, hammer, sandpaper optional, paint optional, scroll saw or jigsaw optional. Cut 1x6 fence boards, using a circular saw or table saw, to the following dimensions: 6 boards at 2.5 feet, 4 boards at 1 foot. If you're using another dimension of lumber, such as 1x8 or 1x10, you will need to adjust some of the measurements for the bottom and sides of the box. 1x8, cut 2 boards 2.5 feet in length and 4 boards 16 inches in length. Rip 1x1 strips of wood from a 1x6 and cut it into the following dimensions: 4 12-inch pieces with the ends cut at 45-degree angles, 4 28-inch pieces with the ends cut at 45-degree angles, 4 8-inch pieces. If you're using 1x8, cut 4 more 10-inch pieces without angles instead of 8-inch pieces. Assemble the frame of the box by attaching the 28-inch angled pieces to the 12-inch angled pieces at the corners. Tack these together with nails to build the top and bottom of the frame. Use the 8-inch pieces to attach top and bottom frames to each other. Attach the 2.5-foot boards horizontally to the long sides of the frame and the 1-foot pieces to the short sides of the frame. Tack on the bottom boards to the bottom of the frame. Sand and paint the outside of the box if desired. Fill the planter box with dirt and plant flowers, herbs, vegetables, or greens in it. Tips: warnings. You can embellish your planter box by cutting a design in the sides with a scroll saw or jigsaw.